So I have already created my layer. Make sure your background layer is black. And now select the text tool. The foreground color is white. So here are settings. The style is filled. And now left click and now type your text. The font I'm using is monospace and the size is 500. And now I'm going to center my text. So select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon here, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And then select the gradient tool. So as you can see, my gradient is golden, so left click. So generally it is foreground to background, so just select the golden one. Just scroll down and you will find it here, golden. You can also use an image for this, for example, a gold texture. So I'm just going to use the default gradient here from Gimp. And now I'm going to trace my gradient. So here it is, and I'll press enter. And now select the text layer, this one here. Right click, alpha to selection. And now I don't need the text anymore since I made the selection, just delete it. So here's our selection. Select the gold texture, the gradient layer, right click, add layer mask, and then check the selection layer mask and then add, so that we keep only the selection here from the gradient, and then right click on the layer mask and then click on apply layer mask. And now let's remove the selection, go to select, none. So here we already have a gold text, so now if you need to style it a little bit, go to filter, decor, and then add bevel. So for the thickness of the bevel, I'm going to choose 9. So I have unchecked work on copy and keep bump layer and then press OK. So here it is. And now go to filter, light and shadow, and then this time select bevel, this one here. So let's click on the Gimp window, press the plus on your keyboard to zoom in. And now we just need to adjust the settings here. So for the bevel type, I'm going to choose chamfer, blend mode hard light. For the distance map, it's this one here. And now I just need to, for example, I want to reduce the elevation. For the depth, I'm going to increase it. And here this will control the light angle. So for example, if I try the bump, so I think the bump one, the bump bevel type is much better. So I'm going to use this one here. So let's reduce the radius and decrease the depth. So I'm going to little bit place. So I think here I'm okay here. I think it's okay. And now I'm just going to try to increase a little bit the bevel, the depth, sorry. So for the depth, I think I'm going to leave it here like this. For elevation, I'm going to leave it like this. And for the radius, this is kind of going to control the borders here. So I think I'm going to leave my text here with the bevel like this, and I'll press OK. And now I'm going to add some gradient flare. So I'm just going to create a new layer, click on the icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to fill it with black. So I'm just going to drag the background color and now go to filter, light and shadow, and then select gradient flare. So I'm going to select this one here. So it's selector. So it's distant sun. So as you can see, there are many types here you can choose from. So I'm just going to select distant sun. And for the settings, so here for the hue, it will change the color. So I'm going to leave it to yellow. And there, as you can see, radius or rotation. So there are different settings. Make sure to check the auto update preview. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So I'm going to reduce a little bit the radius and now press OK. So now it will take some time here. So here it is. And now I'm just going to change the layer mode here of the gradient flare layer. Left click on the mode, change it to screen. And now I can, for example, select the move tool and then can place it here. So I'm going to scale it down, select the scale tool. So I'm going to scale it down, press enter, and then select the move tool, and then I'm going to place one here like this, duplicate it. So as you can see, it will straighten the effect. I'm going to place one, for example, here, and then duplicate it. I'm going to place one here. So as you can see, there are some kind of flares here. So if you want to remove them, I'm just going to select the eraser tool. So here are settings I'm using. And then select the layer you want and then just remove them. So here it is. Select this one here. I'm going to remove this part, and then this one, this part.